Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome. In this video, we're going to look at how you can upgrade your existing kitchen cabinetry doors, specifically with a soft close feature. And we're not going to spend thousands of dollars getting new cabinetry. We're going to do it for a fraction of the cost. All right, so how are we actually going to do this? We are going to retroactively install a special little piece called a soft close damper. You can see it installed right there. Let me pause the screen for you. This is the piece that you are going to buy and install. I'll put a link in the description below. And here is a closer view of the actual item. All it takes is one screw, and you're going to put it through that little hole right there and screw it to the corner of your frame. Now before you click the buy button, make sure you read the instructions, because you'll notice my hinges on my kitchen cabinets, on the doors right there, are not visible from the outside. So if you look at your kitchen cabinet door straight on, you should not see the hinges. Again, they're installed on the inside as shown here. Once you have the dampers installed, you can adjust the tension with your finger. You can press the button there, and then there's a screw right here in the back where you can twist to again adjust the tension to control how softly your kitchen door will, your cabinet door will close. So we've had these retroactively installed for 3 or so years now and have no complaints at all. It's a really nice feature to have. It's got that high-end look and function, again, for a fraction of the cost. And that is all there is to it. Thank you so much. Hope this video has been helpful.